The Hive, bringing it all together. Satya Group presents The Hive, a commercial and high street marvel situated at Sector 102 just off Dwarka Expressway. This project is surrounded by various residential group housings and townships. It's a 3-site open plot with 220-meter frontage and 75-meter sector road. The construction on this 6 acres land has been started from March 2016 and will be completed in 42 months. Also, the Hive is in close vicinity to all major institutional belt, commercial belt and IT office spaces. Satya Hive offers modern high street shops, serviced apartments as well as smart offices. In this fully secured environment, you will get modern facilities like power backup, multi-cuisine restaurants, 6-screen multiplex, gym and health zones. So come and explore the exquisite combination of lifestyle and luxury at Satya The Hive.